My loves, what's up and welcome back. I'm Nidhi and this is Mr. Box sitting right here on my lap. So I have a lot of stuff which was sent from Purple to show to you guys. So if you want to see my Purple haul, then please continue watching. And it's been a long time, but Durustai, I'm back on track. Let's begin. Okay, so I have some of the items in here in this box itself, and I've also shared today the Stay Quirky haul wherein I've swatched all of the new launches that I got. So if you want to see any of the swatches, I would have the video links which I've made for their swatches in the description box. You can check that out. So let's begin first with what all did I get from Stay Quirky. So Stay Quirky has launched like a big line of makeup, like new launches, and so they were kind enough to send me all of that. So very first we have their lipstick pencils, and they do come in this kind of box packaging. That is how the lipstick pencils look like. So these are all color coded at the bottom, and that is how the pencil crayon comes. So these are basically, you know, creamy mattes. I would say these are like more of creamy lipsticks, and so if you are a fan of creamy lipsticks, then definitely you would like these. I think I have 5 or 6 shades now. All of these are made in Italy and they are priced at rupees 259, which is just like so inexpensive and very pigmented. As you can see, I've swatched all of these shades. You can definitely check out the swatch video if you want to see any of these swatches. So those were the lipstick pencils. Then I also have their lip liners. That is the lip liner packaging, and inside you do get these kind of black wooden pencils. Again, they're color coded at the top, so if you're having more than 2, you can, you know, easily pick out at random by just seeing the top. These pencils are creamy ones, and these are pigmented. As you can see, I've swatched all of these, that the shades that I have, you can find them, and this is priced at rupees, just a second, 225. Then we also have their eye pencils, which again have the same kind of packaging, and they're color coded at the bottom. These were kind of not that creamy, slightly less creamier than I was expecting, but I can say these were just like decent. But the shade number 3 was really good in terms of pigmentation. It's a beautiful aqua blue color. I'll just show to you all. So this was like pretty good and more creamy than the other ones I have. So yes, that was the next pencil. And then we also have 2 of their brow pencils. So they launched 2 different shades. One was a brown and one was a charcoal kind of shade. Again, the same kind of packaging. Again, this one was slightly more waxier than my liking, but those were the brow pencils. And lastly, we have the most cutest launch that I've seen from them. These are their eyeshadow pencils, and that is the outer box. Open up one shade. So the thing is, you have to open from both the sides because it just fits inside. Yeah, so that is how the shade looks like. These are like mini pencils, okay, so you can easily sharpen them. These are wooden pencils, and you can just throw it in your pocket or your purse and carry. It's not a mess at all. So some of them are like, you know, matte shades, while the other ones are these kind of shimmery shades. This one is priced at rupees 235. So that is how they look like. These are very creamy and they are pigmented, but definitely you need to set these with powder eyeshadow so that they do not crease, especially if you have my kind of hooded eyes. So yeah, those were the chotu eyeshadow pencils. So apart from those, I also have the Stay Quirky blushes. So many of you wanted to see my review and how these blushes are. So let's see where okay, so this is the first shade, and this is priced at rupees 270, which is so inexpensive for a blush, and that is shade number 1. These are really nice and pigmented. That is shade number 1. Then we have shade number 2, which came slightly broken, but I can still use it. This is a beautiful shade, you guys. It's, you know, that cinnamon kind of shade. I really like this one. It's having that peach tones and slightly cinnamon tones in it. This is really beautiful. It's that, you know, nude kind of blush shade, shade number 2. And I have a shade number 3, which looks like that. This one does have slightly satin texture. This is not like completely matte, and that is a beautiful shade. You can see these are really pigmented, and oh my god, the color is really nice. It's having that orange tones in it, like orange coral tones, and a mixture of pink in it. It looks very beautiful, especially for anyone with medium to deep skin tone. These kind of shades really flaunt and complement your complexion. Okay, so the next shade is number 4. So that is a pretty light pink kind of shade. This would work beautifully for anyone with a light to or fair to light skin tone. This shade is gonna look bomb on you guys. And the last shade is this number 5, and it looks like that. Super pigmented. I'm really happy with the pigmentation on these blushes, and that is how it looks like. This one is slightly pinky toned blush, but again, with I think any skin tone can rock this shade. It is a very beautiful shade of pink. So those were the 5 blush shades: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So yes, those were the blushes from Stay Quirky. Then I had also received all of these nail paints from Asfa Halal. So these do have nude shades like this, which is like this shade. This is like one of my favorites. It is in the shade Nutty Beige. Then another nude shade that I really like is this one. This is in the shade 7 Creamy Latte, and that is how it looks like. Again, really beautiful nail paint shades. If you want to see all of these swatches, you can watch my video. We also have lilac shades. They also have shimmery shades like a gold, a silver. They have very beautiful shades in their nail paint range, so you can definitely check out that video if you want to see swatches. And then they also sent these. These are the purple primer plus matte shades of love lipsticks. So these are again creamy lipsticks, very creamy, and they apply and glide easily. That is like the outer packaging, and when you open it up, the inner packaging is very sleek and classy. You do get this white magnetic packaging, and I'm holding it upside down. So that is how the bullet looks like. I'll just swatch this shade if my hand has some space left. You see, I hardly applied any pressure. These are really creamy and pigmented, so definitely for all the creamy matte lovers, this is the one to go for. And then we also have these beautiful lipsticks from NY Bae. Okay, from NY Bae. These are their new launches. These are called as Confessions of a Lipaholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. So yes, that is the blingy silver outer packaging, and inside the packaging of the liquid lipsticks is like this. So I did try one of them. Definitely you can feel that they've added that primer property, because of which, even though these are matte liquid lipsticks, they do not feel drying on the lips. But still, I would recommend to prep your lips and apply lip balm and just a thin layer of a liquid lipstick, and you're good to go. Definitely very good pigmented shades of liquid lipsticks. And yeah, I really liked how they sat on my lips. They were not very uncomfortable, you know, that kind of liquid lipsticks, and they were matte. That's all we want during the mask period, right? The main steal point of this liquid lipstick is that they are priced at just rupees 220, and Purple always has some or the other exciting discounts and offers going on. So I don't think you'll ever have to pay the MRP. You are always gonna get some or the other offer. Like I think they're having this buy 3 pay for 2 offer going on right now on Good Vibes, Stay Quirky, NY and also one more offer wherein you can buy 4 and get them all at flat 35% off, which is again a steal discount that they are running. And I think they're having this offer on all the other brands as well, like Maybelline, Lakme and all. So you're gonna be getting a lot of savings this Diwali, so definitely check out the sale which is going on Purplle. I would leave all the details in the description box. And I think there is one more offer on Good Vibes. You can use the code I love Good Vibes when you purchase any of their products, and they're giving this money back guarantee, no question asked money back guarantee, wherein you can try the product for 15 days, and if you don't like it you can return it and you would get the price that you paid for that product in your Purplle wallet cash, like in your Purplle wallet. In terms of that, that was my small pitara from Purplle that I have, and all the products that I had in here. And do subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 70k, and thank you so much everyone for all the birthday wishes. I'm just overwhelmed. Thanks a lot. You guys are the best. I love you all so much. A big virtual hug to all of you all, and I'll meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Namaste and keep trending.